How to remove duplicates from a Python list. To remove duplicates from a Python list, you can use several approaches depending on the requirements, such as preserving the order of elements or focusing on performance. Here are some common methods. 1. Using a set, unordered removal. A set automatically removes duplicates because it cannot contain duplicate elements. However, this method does not preserve the original order of the list. My_list equals 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Unique_list equals list, set, my_list. Print, unique_list, #output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Order may vary. 2. Using a loop, preserve order. To remove duplicates while preserving the original order, you can use a loop with a set to track scene elements. My_list equals 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Unique_list equals scene equals set. For item in my_list. If item not in scene. Unique_list.append, item. Scene.add, item. Print, unique_list, #output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. Using list comprehension with set, preserve order. You can combine list comprehension and set to remove duplicates while keeping the order intact. My_list equals 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Unique_list equals unique_list.append, item, for item in my_list if item not in unique_list. Print, unique_list, #output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Using dict.from keys, preserve order. This method uses a dictionary, which preserves insertion order in Python 3.7 plus. My_list equals 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Unique_list equals list, dict.from keys, my_list. Print, unique_list, #output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Using collections.orderDict, pre-Python 3.7. For older versions of Python where dictionaries do not maintain order, you can use orderDict. From collections import orderDict. My_list equals 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Unique_list equals list, orderDict.from keys, my_list. Print, unique_list, #output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Summary. Set-based approaches are faster but do not preserve order. Loop and dictionary-based approaches preserve order and ensure the list is unique. How to reverse a string in Python. I'd be glad to help you with that. Here are the most common methods to reverse a string in Python. 1. Using slicing. Python. String equals hello world. Reversed underscore string equals string : ::1. Print, reversed underscore string, #output, throw all at. The : ::1 syntax slices the string from the beginning to the end, reversing the order of characters. 2. Using the reversed function. Python. String equals hello world. Reversed underscore string equals .join, reversed, string. Print, reversed underscore string, #output, throw all at. The reversed function creates a reversed iterator of the string, and .join concatenates the characters into a new string. 3. Using a loop. Python. String equals hello world. Reversed underscore string equals. For char in string : :1. reversed underscore string plus equals char. Print, reversed underscore string, hashtag output, full row all at. This method iterates over the string in reverse order and appends each character to the reversed underscore string. For using a list comprehension. Python. String equals hello world. Reversed underscore string equals dot join, char for char in string : ::1. Print, reversed underscore string, hashtag output, full row all at. This is a more concise way to achieve the same result as the loop method, using a list comprehension to create a list of characters in reverse order and then joining them into a string. 5. Using a recursive function. Python. Def reverse underscore string, string. If len, string, equals 0. Return string. Else. Return reverse underscore string, string 1, plus string 0. String equals hello world. Reversed underscore string. Equals reverse underscore string, string. Print, reversed underscore string, hashtag output, full row all at. This method recursively calls itself to reverse the string. Its base case is when the string is empty, and the recursive case appends the first character to the reversed string of the remaining substring. How to add two numbers in Python. Adding two numbers in Python is straightforward using the plus operator. Here's a basic example. Adding two numbers directly. Number 1 equals 5. Number 2 equals 10. Result equals number 1 plus number 2. Print, result, hashtag output, 15. Adding two numbers with user input. You can also take input from the user, convert the input to integers or floats, and then add them. Hashtag taking input from the user. Number 1 equals float, input, enter first number. Number 2 equals float, input, enter second number. Hashtag adding the two numbers. Result equals number 1 plus number 2. Hashtag displaying the result. Print, the sum is, result. Adding two numbers in a function. To add two numbers inside a function, you can define a function and then call it with the numbers as arguments. Def add underscore numbers, a, b. Return a plus b. Hashtag example usage. Result equals add underscore numbers, 5, 10. Print, result, hashtag output, 15. Let me know if you need further explanations